All right, good afternoon, everybody. It is Wednesday, February 14th. Again, I'd like to go over my pre-market plans, where I took my trades, and my $5,100 win for today. The downside pressure never worked, so I said to the top side, I want to find buyers to take out this 45-minute supply at 17,870 area to long to 17,900. I gave some possible reversal points and some possible reversal points short. ES, I wanted sellers to continue to step in at the 5,000 mark to get short. We can play safe and get short under 4,985 to 4,967. If we find buyers, we can reverse the position and play inside range. If the sellers still step in, we can see 4,955 and then 4,950 demand. Over this, the key areas were 5,000 and 5,008. And then our possible reversal shorts were 5,004 and 5,020. Possible long reversals 49.80, 49.67. Now the intraday tab is where the magic happens when the pre-market plans don't go exactly to plan when we're having inside range days like today. So I stated exactly at 9:30, I said I want to see what 17,800 shows for NQ. There's a lot of selling right there pre-market. Now at 9:30 we open up right here. We see 17,800. We see a nice push past it, but we can't get past at all, and we drop down. Now, yesterday I acquired 2 Top Step accounts for the deal that they had going on, and I made $1,500 on them yesterday and $1,500 on them today. So I funded them in 2 days, 2 accounts, and I caught this drop underneath this key level all the way to VWAP. Now, I don't count this as my profits because they were demo accounts, but I just wanted to state that. We found super weakness, and I took it all the way down to VWAP. We then came to VWAP, and we immediately broke underneath. But the selling pressure was not that much, as you can see right here. So I didn't think we were going to break underneath it. I even stated that over here. I said VX is not moving. ES bouncing off the 4988 support level that I had marked. Now the 4988 level is right here. As you can see, we got into this nice wedge over here. And the same thing with NQ. Now, once we started to find some more buyers on the tape at VWAP over here, I added 3 contracts. I also stated, I said Apple needs to find some support to start a rally. Microsoft is holding us down also. Nvidia is sky high. If Apple moves up, ES takes out 5,000 area and supports, this whole market will follow. I said sellers are still holding strong at 5,000 on ES. I'm still bullish if we consolidate in this area. Again, these were my entries. This was my profits on the Top Step X accounts, as you can see. Both of them passed. I said this chart is Tradeovate, not a demo account. The 2 profits from Top Step X early access I got yesterday, just want to be clear. I don't want you guys thinking that this is real money right here. This is the demo accounts. This was also the short that I took with the Top Step X accounts. I did this on Tradeovate also, but I was looking for a bigger move. I wasn't just looking for the $1,500. Now, we stopped out towards break even. And as soon as I saw buyers step into the tape, I have zero problem flipping script to longs. And I even stated this, I said I have zero problem flipping bias. Entry 177625, my stop loss TP1, 2, and 3. As you can see right here. I also stated my stop loss will gradually move up as take profits get hit. Now we hit only one take profit. We hit this take profit right here and we immediately came down. We started to find support in this area right here, with ES again creeping up to that 5,000 level. I then added another 3 cons right here. I even stated I'll look to add to my position right here. And that is my 5 cons. 1 sell here, 1 sell here, 2 here, and then a runner for up top. I even stated at 10:15, I said we can see a huge volume spike here with buyers being able to take out this 5,000 level on ES. I stated that at 10:15, and you can see exactly when 10:15 hit, which is right here. We consolidate, and look at this big volume spike in here, and also on ES, and we just get a beautiful rip all the way up to my take profit area. Now, all take profits hit. My last runner that I left up here, I cut it early right here, which was a good move on my play. That was in the middle of supply, and I even stated when I cut it early right here, I said I'm holding one runner to 17,885. Stop loss is now 17,810, and I said cut it here. When I noted we can see huge volume spike within 4 minutes, we traded over 40 points on NQ alone. What then happened? We found in supply, we found sellers, and we dropped all the way to this demand zone at 17,700. ES, the same thing followed. We found sellers coming at this 5,000 levels, bears trying to hold the 5,000 level down, which they succeeded in the first part, all the way to 4,980. And I stated possible reversal shorts, 17,825 supply. Possible reversal again to short, 5,040. Possible reversals to long, 4,980. This is the supply zone that I said possible reversals to short. Short all the way to here, all the way to 17,000. And ES the same thing, 5,004 all the way to 4,980.50. 2 ticks away. We then drop under VWAP, cannot sustain it, and we drop a little more to the 4,072. We get a nice liquidity squeeze right here at 17,700, and we rally all the way up inside supply once again. This is a range day, trading inside zones back and forth. 4 p.m. on the dot, where do we hit on ES? 5,020, my last key zone that I had noted for the top side. Like I said, possible reversals, 5,020. Key area, 5,000, 5,008, and 5,020. Again, 5,000 right here, we break through, we hit 5,009. We come all the way down to the key area that I noted right here, held support 1, 2, 3 times, all the way to 5,020. I'm literally calling these in the pre-market before market even opens to almost the exact tick every single time. So you can just play zone to zone, like I said. You could have played from the breakout to supply, supply to demand over here, and back up to supply. Same thing with ES. You could have played the breakout to 5,008, all the way down to 4,980, which would be over 30 points on ES, and then right back up to 5,008 again, or you could have held it for the 5,020 squeeze. Like I said, these plans work. $1,500 today, $1,200 today. This was my Top Step X account, like I said. The second one, which I noted that this is demo profits. Like I said, I don't want you guys to confuse them. And then this was the profits from today, 5,180 off of those contracts in here, adding to my position when I saw buyers come back into the tape for the final squeeze. Like I said, I do this every day. There's no magic to it. It's just common levels mixed with confluences in the market that I see since I've been trading for years. So if you want a chance to try out the Discord, I'm doing a raffle until Monday. Join the free Discord. The link is in there, and you have a chance to win 2 days to trade with me in the premium Discord for free.